Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to rebuild the Windows search index in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If Windows search is slow, not finding your files, apps, emails or other content, rebuilding the search index can often solve the problem. So let's get us started. First press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Here you need to type control.exe srchadmin.dll. I will put this one command in this one video description. After typing this one command, press enter or click OK. This will open the indexing options window directly. Now click the advanced button. If you see a user account control prompt, click yes. Under the index settings tab, locate the troubleshooting section and now click on the rebuild button. A warning message will appear informing you that rebuilding the search index may take some time and the search results might be incomplete until the process is finished. Click OK to continue. Windows will now delete the existing search index and automatically create a new one. The rebuilding process may take a few minutes or several hours depending on the numbers of files, emails and other indexed items on your computer. You can continue using your PC while Windows rebuilds the index in the background. If you want to check the progress, simply open the indexing options window again. You will see how many items have been indexed and whether indexing is still in progress. Once the indexing process is complete, Windows search should become faster and more accurate, making it easier to find your files, folders, apps and other content. That's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.